Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds SE. So, these headphones have an application in the Play Store and we should install it from the app gallery. This is a HUAWEI store. So open your browser and now click on the search and write HUAWEI AI Live. Now search and click at the first link. Now go to install now and right here we're in app gallery. So click install, download in browser, download. Now let's go to the three dots to check is it finished. Oh, and actually it showed it to us. So click on this file right here, open, install, more details, and click install anyway. Now we should write a password of the phone. Open it. Now select your region, and I don't recommend it to choose United States because sometimes it has some trouble. So I'm going with United Kingdom, or you can choose your and then click next. Next, agree. While using app, add device. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!